Hi, I'm Maisie from the Sussex Sign Company, where from the first sketch to the final unveiling, our solutions are tailored to your branding needs, because one size never fits all. Today we're going to take you behind the signs and show you a little bit more about what we do here, and perhaps even bust a few of the myths along the way. How about you come inside and we'll show you where everything happens. So this is our main office. So when you first come in, this is where we greet you. You can come and sit down and chat through with the team, and you can see back there as well, we have the clothing area. So if you're thinking about getting uniforms branded, we can help you with that too. And then as you come back here, we have the design and the customer service team, and they'll be able to help you with your project and help you through everything you need to know to be able to get it exactly how you want it. I'm going to show you this one first. This is our Roland TrueViz printer. It's an 8-colour wide format digital printer. We upgraded from a 4-colour years ago because it just gives us the opportunity to create exactly the colour you're after, even if it's not a simple CMYK mock-up. It can create some really vibrant, really exciting visuals like you can see on the wall over there. We've even got some beautiful gradients going on, which most designers and sign makers will let you know are some of the hardest things to get right. So we're always very proud when a gradient comes out exactly how we want it to. So then if you come over here, you can see our laminator. Now, all of our prints are laminated. Back in the day, you would just print something in vinyl, stick it on the wall, stick it on a window, hope for the best. At that time, a lot of things failed. A lot of things got damaged by sun, and by heat, and all sorts of different things. We don't play that game anymore. For a long time now, everything we do is laminated. That's just a clear vinyl that goes over the top of your print. It can be matte, gloss, satin, anti-graffiti, dry wipe, pretty much anything you need, just to make sure that it's the right thing for your sign. And that just protects it from the elements, especially out here on the south coast. The salt air likes to get under everything. So we like to make sure that everything is nicely protected and gonna last for many, many years. Then over here, if we need it, this is the print cut machine. So once your prints have come off the printer, been laminated, they can also be cut to shape. So that means that if you want text cut or a special shape or your logo cut out of the vinyl that we printed for you in your brand colours, we run it through here, everything gets cut out. And then we can just weed and tack it and apply it to whatever needs doing. So as much as we do still have a few whiteboards left in the building, we do try and cover as many of them as we can. With this one, we genuinely couldn't resist because Pantone colours is something we use a lot of, so why not take a nice little pun and pop it on the wall forever? Over here we have our commercial vinyls. So obviously, yes, we can print any colour you like over there, but if you want anything more solid, more vibrant, we always have these options for you. These are used with our plotter, so any text or simple shapes you want cut out of it, they'll come out of these vinyls. It also means that you can have any metallics, chromes, those kind of neon, really, really bright colours that are gonna be a lot more punchy if you have them out of commercial vinyl instead of printed. But there's always a trend, something that people are really enjoying right now. At the moment, it's got to be maybe this guy, M7 Melon, a favourite at the moment. What is there to see in the workshop? So this is where all the kind of big production happens. So your big panels, laying up signs. Everybody thinks we just do signs, but honestly, we do so much more than just signs. We get involved with pretty much anything you'd like us to get involved with. If it's got your brand on it, we're happy to help. So this is actually a DJ booth. One of our really long-standing clients, Orange Beach Bars, if you're watching, had the great idea to get us involved with this project. Australia bringing their new season branding into their festival equipment. This is a DJ booth that they're going to have at their upcoming events. And we basically took off the old face, we refret cut their logo into a new panel, and then wrapped the whole thing in a really bold digital print to make sure that their brand is going to really stand out. And this is their tapas wall. How cool is that? A sign should include as much information as possible, right? Wrong. If you've got a shop front as big as ours, then maybe you can put in a bit more about your services and what you can offer to your clients. But normally, in most high street shops, having too much information is just overwhelming. And as people are walking by, it's too much to take in and they end up actually remembering nothing. So keeping it simple, just your logo, your brand, make sure that you include your colours and something really memorable for your clients. And that's what's going to really capture their attention and make them remember it once they've walked past. High quality signs are just too expensive for small businesses. That's something we really don't agree with. As a small business ourselves, we want to make sure that you get the right sign for you. And with so many different materials and finishes at our disposal, we can make sure that you get the sign that you need that's right for your business, within budget as well. The most important thing is that you let us know what you've got to work with, and we can make sure that you get exactly what you need. So vehicle wrapping is just for big companies with loads of vans in a massive fleet. That's what a lot of people would say, but we really don't believe that. There's so many options in vehicle wrapping. You can have really simple sign writing all the way through to a full wrap. And yes, there are expensive options, but that doesn't mean that you can't have your brand, your logo on the side of your van out into the world for all of your prospective clients to see. It's a mobile billboard and it doesn't have to be expensive. I don't need a physical sign. I do all of my marketing online. We hear that a lot. It's not a great plan. In terms of business and getting customers, your physical presence in the world makes a massive difference to whether people choose you or not. Imagine this. A client's found you online, they love your website, they love your social media, they're almost sold, and they come to your office in real life and it looks nothing like it. There's no branding, the shop looks a little bit run down, a little bit uncared for, and it can change their mind straight away. And you may never know if this has happened. So we always recommend invest in your physical branding, make the most of it. You've created an incredible logo and colors and all that design element. Make sure that it's present where you are. So that's it from us today. We've busted a few myths. We've given you a little peek behind the signs. So thanks for watching. What questions do you have? Is there anything you'd like to know or things you'd like to see behind the scenes? If so, leave a comment below and we'd be happy to do that for you. Or if you want to contact us or need some help with your signage or your branding, our details are in the description box below. And make sure that you subscribe so that you get to see more of what we're doing here at the Sussex Sign Company. Thanks. Those are not on spikes. Those will fall over if you hit them. The amount of times you just hear, no, and then and everybody comes rushing. Like, any shape, any text, anything you like out of simple vinyl. I sounded like Norman then. Any shape, any text, anything you like. If you've got any ideas, leave a comment below or contact us using the details in the description box and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much for watching.